should be sequence. While working with array list set type bean property, we must provide sequential index to elements. What index? Sequential index. That's great. Yeah, list set map we discussed yesterday itself. Don't worry much. The application.property file can contain what? Only user-defined keys or only predefined keys or mix of both. Or mix of both. Are you getting my point there, guys? Mix of both. The application property file can have following categories of predefined keys. Core properties, cache properties, mail properties, JSON properties, data properties. Different categories are there, don't worry. So these categories you can see in the internet also, guys. Check it out. Spring Boot common properties, you search in the google.com. You search in the google.com. What is this? Spring Boot common properties. Common properties over there, guys. Come on, everyone. Spring Boot common properties. Spring Boot common properties. Here are the common properties that you are looking at, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. YML or YAML. Spring Framework is not supporting YML. Only Spring Boot supporting YML. Spring Framework internally uses what? Snake YML API to read and process YML document. So this jar you need not to arrange separately, guys. When you create basic Spring Boot project, you will get that one automatically. YML, YAML, both are one and the same, guys. File can have YML extension or YAML extension. Anything is fine. Yet another markup language or AMLing language or ain't markup language. Okay. This file can have either YML or YAML extension. YML or what? YAML extension. The biggest limitation of property files is the nodes or levels will be repeated in multiple keys. Especially while working with the common prefix concept, collections has a properties to support what? Bulk injection using at the rate configuration properties. What properties, guys? At the rate configuration properties. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. What is the limitation? org.net. 5 colors of 0, 5 colors of 1. Here prefix is repeated and the last node also repeated for the sake of array indexing. Okay, conclusion. Yeah, look at the sample property file. Application.property. emp.info.name Raja. ID 1001, location Hyderabad. Prefix is repeated or not, guys? In YML, how I am taking? emp colon info colon. Here prefix is not repeated. Name colon Raja, ID 1001, location Hyderabad. Name colon Raja, ID 1001, location what? Hyderabad. Coming or not coming, my dear? Come on, everyone. Name Raja, ID 1001, location Hyderabad. Compare to properties file. Compare to property file preparation, YML preparation takes time, but takes less time with experience. Why? Because you need not try to duplicate keys now, boss. You need not write duplicate nodes in the keys. That's the reason. If the keys are having more repeated nodes or levels, then prefer YML. Otherwise, prefer what? Properties file. Note, YML file data can be injected to whom? Spring Bean properties, either using at the rate value annotation or using what? At the rate configuration properties annotation. What annotation, guys? At the rate value annotation. Come on. At the rate configuration properties annotation. Value annotation or at the rate configuration properties annotation. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Yeah, we will come to this, guys. You don't want to get this banner, guys. How to disable the banner? That's a discussion actually there. Remind me at the end of the session. It's a simple discussion because when you run the Spring Boot application, Spring banner is coming now. I don't want that banner. I want to remove that. Or I want to keep my own name as the banner. I would like to keep what? My own name as banner. Very simple discussion. Let's not deviate from main point. Okay. Okay. Now let's do one thing, guys. Spring Boot application internally converts every YML content into properties content before using the content. To convert YML content to property content and to process YML document, the Spring Boot internally uses what? Snake YML API. Snake YML version.jar will be added to Spring Starter project automatically. Will be added to Spring Starter project automatically. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Super. The application.property file or YML file of the SRC main resources folder will be recognized automatically by whom? IOC container during what? Spring Boot application startup. That is part of ecosystem. You need not to configure explicitly. What facilities are there for properties file, application.property file? Same facilities also there for application.yml file. Is that realized, boss? Is that recognized, boss? Come on, everyone. Everyone getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, guys. Okay. Yeah. Here is my what, guys? 915. What is that? Okay. 515. I'll take a basic application. I'll take a basic application. I'll try to convert into what? This. I think already opened. Huh? Okay. Summary is back. Huh? Okay. Watra Babu. This waste fellow has come back. Huh? I know he won't be there. Rishi, sorry to input when your device batch will come. I'm ready to take, guys. Put request in the front office. More requests, batch will start very fast. Yes, it is ready, guys. Okay. Let me, no need of adding special jar. Snack ML hyphen version dot jar will be there in basic Spring Boot project, guys. Okay. Let me add that point also, guys. YML file data can be injected to Spring Bean properties using value or @configuration properties. Will be added to Spring Starter project automatically. Do I need to add it separately, guys? No. There is no need of adding it separately. Okay, let's create this new, what is the Spring Boot project or Spring Starter project? Yeah, here is what? Spring project. Spring Starter project. That's great. Yeah, tell me here, what is there? Boot IOC pros, how much? 8, huh? Okay. Mini project to layered application 1. No. Okay. YML file. YML file, guys. Lambda KPI is required because getter setter methods are required. If especially bulk injection, internal uses setter injection, right? Bulk means internal uses what? Setter injection. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Anil Kumar. No, there is one guy, guys. He's login with a name called Chicky something. He always disturbs the class. I think the same fellow is login with a different names. Okay. Is you don't have time. Let's remove the chat box for some time. If you look at him, we will respond. If you don't look at him, nothing to respond. And you also don't get any entertainment. You are here for subject, not for entertainment, right? Okay, that's great. Yeah, project is created a YML file. Here is what? Resources. Hmm. Okay, guys. This is what? Application dot this. Application dot this. Here we'll try to take YML. This is property file. Now we want to take YML. Yeah. Okay, let's rename this file to YML. Let's rename this file to YML. Okay, YML, this is wrong. YML is all about node based, right? Hierarchical model. So Spring colon. Okay, for the timing, don't take anything. We will take our regular one. Movie colon. See guys, next node, next line. Okay, that to compare to previous node and this node, parent and node, single space is compulsory, though it is there in next line. Minimum single space, maximum any number of things. Minimum single space. 1, 2, 3. Tab is not required, single space is enough. It's actually single space, but I recommend you people to keep max of 3 spaces, minimum 3 spaces, so that we can feel easily. Some letters won't appear in single space, guys. Movie dot actor. Movie dot actor. Tell me, name Raja. Before putting value, also one space is required, guys. Okay, go to this. Same level nodes should be there in same level. Address Hyderabad. Address Hyderabad. Category. Category hero. Category what, guys? Hero. Next. Category hero. Fee. Okay. Category hero. Fee is what? 89,000. Okay. These are the things that are taken or not, guys. Okay. Fine, boss. Industry. He belongs to which industry? Bollywood, Tollywood, Kollywood. So many woods are there, na boss. Okay. He belongs to Tollywood. Tollywood. Are something grab out. So basically keys are there. All these are values. Yellow marks means you add metadata. Once you add metadata, this warning will go off. You just need to add yellow mark, right? Okay. Movie colon actor. Name here. Address here. Category here. Industry here. Okay. That's great, guys. Come on. Everything is happening here, boss. Come on. Super, guys. Tell me next one. We need to think about going for packages. Package. Com dot nt dot sbeans. Com dot nt dot sbean. Okay, here I'm taking a class. What is there? Actor details. What details, boss? Actor details. What is there? Actor details dot Java. Actor details dot Java. Tell me. At the rate, component. That's great. Yeah. I'm going for bulk injection. Bulk injection means what is the annotation? At the rate configuration properties. What is there? Prefix is equal to com dot nt dot prefix. Sorry, com dot not nt. Movie dot actor. Movie dot actor. Tell me here. Private. Yeah, private string. What is their name? Next, private string address. Are property names and last nodes in the key must match or not, guys? Private string. Come on. Category. Next, private string. String or double? Let's take double. Let's take double fee. Next one, private string industry. Private string industry. Understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Yeah, I need to have setter getter methods or not, guys? At the rate setter. At the rate setter. Component actor prefix is equal to movie dot actor at the rate setter, boss. That's great. At the rate data also you can use, you will get everything together. Okay, at the rate data, then you will get getter, setter, toString, everything will come or not, guys. Okay, this yellow marks came means you have to add one special jar file, starter in the pom.xml. We are adding special jar or starter in the pom.xml here or not, guys? That's great, boss. This is my actor details.java, boss. This is my what? Actor details.java. This is my com.nt. This is my actor details. Configuration properties prefix movie.actor. Here is my what? At the rate data. Name, address, category, fee, industry. Okay, boss. That's great. This is my com.nt, my dear. Super. This is my application.yml. Okay, that's great. So now we have to run this application or not, my dear. But before that, we have to access Spring Bean class object. We need to access Spring Bean class object. Tell me. Get access to what container? IOC container. Get access to IOC container. Tell me. Application context. CTX is equal to application context CTX is equal to Spring application dot run method. That's great. Followed by that, what is there? Application context CTX is equal to this one. Tell me. Get access to Spring Bean class object reference. Spring Bean class object reference. Details is equal to ctx dot get bean. What is the bean ID I have given? No bean ID, actor. Okay, bean ID is actor. Here is my actor dot class. Actor details dot class. Okay. Yeah, tell me here, what is there? System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Okay, actor data plus details. Close the IOC content. What is there? CTX dot close. Simply close the IOC container. That's great. They're getting access to IOC container. This is the problem, guys. Extra code has come. Yeah, because of some wrong shortcut keys, some automatic injections are happening or not, guys. This ID is very bad, guys. This version only. Previous version, this headache is not there. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. Injection is happily done now, boss. That means YML is also, we are able to work with YML or not, guys? Okay. Now listen. I want to disable this banner. That is what I am talking. At the end of the session, if time permits, I will take up that. Remind me at the end of the class. So I'm talking about this banner, guys. But here bulk injection is happening. But what we have used is YML property file. Am I configuring application.yml anywhere separately? That means it is automatically configured and recognized or not, guys? It is automatically configured and recognized or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay. Okay, observe this. We are not having snack ML separately. Okay, snack ML jar is coming automatically from the list of jar files or not, guys? This is my snake AML, snake ML. This is my snake AML or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Note, application.yml file placed in SRC main resources folder will be recognized by Spring Boot as part of bootstrap process. No. If we place both application.properties and YML file having same keys and different values for values, then application.properties data overwrites what? Application.yml file content, right, boss? Using @property resource, we cannot configure user defined what? YML. That needs separate programming configuration. Find out how to configure custom YML file. That is the task I am giving, guys. Come on. Okay. But don't worry, at the end of the discussion, at the end of this discussion, same thing is there, guys. Okay, instead of that, I will remove this one, boss, because in the same document I kept it, that one. If newly added things or modified things are not reflecting while executing Eclipse IDE, then it is recommended to clean the project or application once. Project menu, clean. If changes are not recognizing, then what to do? Okay, while writing YML file from property file, what are the things you have to consider? What are the things that you have to consider? Okay. While writing YML file from property files, what are the things that you have to consider, right? Same nodes or levels in the keys should not be repeated. Same nodes or levels in the keys should be repeated or should not be repeated. Replace dot of each node or level with what? Colon symbol, and write a new node in the next line having proper indentation. Having what? Minimum single space is required. Recommended to take up to what? 3 spaces. Recommended to take up to what, guys? 3 spaces. Try to write multiple notes in multiple places, but recommended to take up to how many spaces, guys? 3 spaces, right? Next, replace colon symbol with replace colon symbol with sorry, equal to symbol with colon symbol before placing the value having minimum single space. Before placing the value, you need to have what? Minimum single space. Before placing the value minimum, you need to have what? Single space. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. To place array list set elements, use what symbol? Hyphen symbol having single space. Array element values you should use with hyphen symbol. Take map collection keys and has a property sub keys as the new nodes are new levels. As the new nodes are new levels. That means one more, next line, one more node, guys. Use hash symbol for what? Commenting. All these are there to write YML file from property file. Number one, same nodes or levels in the key should not be repeated. That's the beauty of YML. Okay, replace dot of each node with what? Colon symbol. Okay, next one. Next line with proper indentation you have to take or not, guys? Replace equal to symbol with what? Colon symbol. Place array list set element values using what symbol? Hyphen symbol. Take map collection keys and has a property sub keys as the new nodes are what? New levels. Use hash symbol for what, guys? Commenting purpose. Simply use hash symbol for what purpose, guys? Commenting purpose. Okay, already we are doing it, but can we do a serious application covering all types of things, guys? Okay. Okay, now let's start working with a detailed one. Go to actor details, guys. Here, I'll try to take all types of properties now. What type of properties? All type. Private. What is there? String array. Fav colors. What colors, guys? Favorite colors. List string. List string friends. Anything you can take, guys. Set. Set long. What is there? Phones. Set long phones. Private set long phones. Private set long phones, guys. Phones means what? Phone numbers. Phones is nothing but what, guys? Phone numbers. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Next one. Private map. Tell me. String comma object. Private map string comma object. What is there? Private map string comma object. Okay, ID details. Fine, anything you can take. Private. Okay, I want to take some vehicle information. Yesterday we have taken vehicle. Okay, vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. Yes, where is this, guys? Here is my story. This is my YML, guys. Go to previous one. Let's not waste my time and your time. From there you copy vehicle.java. From there you copy vehicle.java, right? Yes beans, say paste. Actor details.java, that's fine. Okay, I'm trying to cover all types of properties over there. There is no need of making it as a string bean. If it is a string bean, I have to use @auto void or spell based value. But without that also we can do bulk injection from property file or YML file. Now the question is how to inject values to these properties. Super guys. Same level, all these are same level. Even fav colors is also same level property na boss. Fav colors is also same level property or not guys? Yes guys. Okay. Fav colors. Tell me. Red. Next, what is there? Green. What is there? Blue. Red, green, blue. Yeah, in the new version only this headache, guys. Though you type it, it is taking from the beginning only. So you have to make that straight. This is array boss. Element 1, element 2, element 3. Before placing any array element values or list or set element value, you have to use a hyphen symbol. Next, next one is what? Friends. For friends also same theory is applicable. Yeah, Kiran, Rajesh, ay. Kiran, Rajesh, what is next one? Shyam. Kiran, Rajesh, Shyam. Nice. Kiran, Rajesh, Shyam. Yes, boss. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Fav colors, friends, guys. Fav colors, friends. Next. Yeah, next one is what? ID details. Phones, acha, set collection phones. Yes, boss. Here also, hyphen all nines, hyphen all eights, hyphen all sevens, hyphen all nines, all eights, all sevens. All nines, all eights, all sevens. Yeah, tell me next one. Huh? Okay, next one, what we got is ID details. What is this, guys? ID details. What is there, guys? ID details. What is the story we got, guys? ID details. Okay, subnodes, guys. We have to take keys as the subnodes. Yeah, subnodes. What is there? Aadhaar. What is there? Aadhaar. Aadhaar number. Something, guys. Aadhaar number. Next, what is there? Voter ID. Voter ID. This. Voter ID, voter ID. Next one is what, guys? PAN number or PAN card. PAN card. Okay. AJXPR 450944. Something. So we got the ID details over there. Red mark means spaces are not taken properly. You have to take it. This is the story of the PAN card or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Followed by that, what is the next story, guys? Followed by that, what is the next story? Yeah, phones, guys, ID details. When one line here and there, you will get red mark. Check it out. So indentation is very, very important. You don't keep hyphen symbols before that space. Problem. It won't be taken properly. So very, very space sensitive. Indentation is very, very important. Headache is that, guys. Sir, is there any shortcut? I will give shortcut. Wait, first practice manual one. There are shortcuts. There are shortcuts. Things will happen just like that on the fly. Are he is busy playing with mobile. Tell him. Specs wala, listen the class. You only don't look here. Maddi wala. Specs wala, you only, my dear. You are busy playing something in mobile. She replied, replied, all happy there. Now focus on subject. Oh, okay. Okay. What is this? ID details. Fine. Next one has a property. Vehicle. What is there? Vehicle. Vehicle. Sub keys. Sub has a property is a class that is having sub properties, right? Sub properties you have to take as a node. In vehicle.java, what are the sub properties? Registration number, model, type, brand, and cost. Registration number, tell me. REGNO 4567. Tell me. Model. Model is what? Arrays. Registration number is taken as string or something. Yeah, registration number is taken as string. So string means TS09FF some number, guys. Next one. Model. Okay. Q7 something. Q7. Next one. Brand. Order is not important. Brand Audi. Okay. Next one. Next cost. Cost. Okay. 1 crore 50 lakhs. 503 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Right. Next, array, these red marks because of space indentation is not done. This red marks because space indentation is not done properly. This red mark space indentation is not done properly, guys. Next, what is there? Type. What is there? Luxury car. Okay. Luxury car. Definitely it is a luxury car or not, guys? Type is a luxury car. Type is a luxury car. Comfortable, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Great, my dear. Save this one. This is my vehicle.java. This is my what? Actor details.java. Boot pros YML. Boot pros what? YML. Boot IOC pros YML application.java. Right click. Tell me here. Run as what application, guys? Java application. Okay, all properties are taken. As a properties are taken. Let's see whether injection is done or not done. Exception. Oh, some problem. We'll read and we'll sort out the problem. Yeah, somewhere don't use tab for indentation. Somewhere tab is used, guys. Don't use tab for indentation. These extra spaces also matter sometimes, guys. Remove those extra spaces. We pressed extra enter keys na, boss. Don't do that. Don't do that. Enter key. Okay. This time you observe. This time output is coming or not. Sir, how did you solve? Are experience ra babu. Okay. Initially, I also might have struggled with that reason, this reason. But sometimes what happens when you keep on getting errors, keep on solving the error, after a few days, every problem looks like what? Known problem. After a few days, definitely every problem looks like what? Known problem, no second thought in that, right? Name Raja, address Hyderabad, category hero. Fee is this, industry is what? Tollywood. Five colors, green, blue. Friends null, something gone wrong, spell mistake. Phone numbers injected, I details not, spell mistake it seems. Vehicle is also injected. Wherever spell mistakes are there, let me correct guys. I think in vehicle class spell mistakes are no. Okay, actor details. Friends, yeah, here only spell mistake. FRIENDS next. Application.yml. ID details. Acha, ID detail. Here also, if you want, you can use like this, guys. Two words can be separated with hyphen symbol when they are in mixed case. Run as Spring Boot application. Run as Spring Boot application. Friends is injected, yes. ID details also injected or not, my dear? ID details are very much injected or not, my dear? Say something, Mambo, in here. It's happening or not happening? We covered all types of properties in bulk injection also. Okay, 1 minute, my dear. Application.yml. Instead of ID details, ID hyphen details you can take. ID hyphen details you can take, guys. It's coming or not coming, guys? Come on, everyone. ID hyphen details is happening or not happening, guys? Definitely it's happening. Come on. Okay. It is the injection that we are doing here. Okay. Vehicle, registration number, model Q7, all this stuff. Fine. Sir, is there any possibility of inline syntax for this? Yes, inline syntax is possible, guys, for array list select collection properties. Okay. First, how to write the comments? Let me answer. Comment, 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 comment. We have written comment here, right? Okay. Here is my what? Fav hyphen colors or fav colors. Fav hyphen colors, fav colors. Here I want to have a inline syntax, guys. Okay. Red comma, green comma. What is there? Blue. Red comma, green comma, blue, guys. Red comma, green comma, blue. Like this, we are putting the things over there or not there. Right click, tell me. Run as, what is there? Java application. Okay, inline syntax is working or not working or let's find out, guys. Yeah, inline syntax. Yes, a square bracket, they are coming or not, guys? Not because I kept square bracket. Array is printed like that by default. By default, what? Array content is printed like this. But it is injecting the things over there or not, my dear? So inline syntax is possible. Hyphen symbols also we can use. But comment symbol means hash symbol. Comment symbol means what? Hash symbol, right? We have kept everything here. If we give different sets of values to same array list set properties using both indexed syntax approach, inline approach, tell me which values will be taken as what? Final values. Okay, tell me, this is what? Properties file. Okay, this is properties file in the inline approach, indexer approach. Okay, Indexed values will be taken as final values. In YML also, indexed values will be taken as what? Final values. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, how to give both at a time, sir? Okay, let me try both, guys. This is fav colors. Here I will try to use fav hyphen colors, right? Yes, my dear, has done. This is what we done it, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay, here, red one, green one, blue one. Red one, green one, blue one. Click on this. Red one, green one, blue one. Index side value will come in the inline values will. Inline values. But here, what is the story? Check it out. I think something different happening than expected one. Application.yml. Array, this is indexed one. Red one, green one, this one. Okay, 1 minute. Let's clean the project once. One more time, clean it. If I use both indexed syntax and what? This. Here also indexed values will take what? Priorities. Indexed values will be taken as priority. I'm modifying them, guys. After modification, I think I saved everything perfectly. Run as a Java application. Oh, fav, huh? Inline only taking, huh? But our answer says what? Yesterday also inline only taken, huh? Sure, huh? Okay, then we have to change answer in both places. Okay. In properties file, okay, we'll change the answer in both places. In properties file, the inline values will take. The inline syntax values will be taken as the final. Right, boss. Okay. In YML file, the inline syntax values will be taken as the final. Inline syntax values will be taken as the final. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. The inline syntax values will be taken as the final. Can we place values in property file YML in a single inline and for array and list size collection properties? Possible. Yes, possible. Technically, this mechanism is called what? Inline approach of passing value. This is indexed value. This is inline approach na boss. Application.yml is equal to, this is inline formatting or not, guys? It's possible or not possible? Definitely possible. If you place both application.properties and YML having what? Same keys and different values. Can you tell me what happens? Which values will be taken as what? Final value. Okay, which values will be taken as what? Final values. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. The values given to application dot properties will override the values given in what? Application dot YML. The values given to application dot properties will override the values given in what? Application dot YML. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, boss. One place application dot properties, another place is what? Application dot YML, guys. Okay, first of all, what I do is I will also take application dot properties here, guys. I will also take application dot properties file. Here is my what? This one. Application dot properties. Application dot properties. Movie dot actor dot name. I will take in a different one, guys. Here, what is this? Movie dot actor dot name. Okay, here I will write Shah Rukh Khan. Movie dot actor dot name. This one. This is my application dot property. This is my what? Application dot YML. Super, guys. Right click. Tell me next one. Run as. Both are recognized automatically, but the question is which one will take the higher priority? Properties file will take the higher priority. Who is coming, guys? Shah Rukh Khan is coming or not there? If we have both with the same keys, different values, the property file will get the higher priority or not, guys? Definitely the property file will get the higher priority or not, my dear? No second thought in that. The properties file will definitely get what? Higher priority. I hope you convinced it here, guys. The property file will definitely get higher priority compared to what? YML. Compared to YML, property file will get higher priority or not, guys? If same key is different values. Otherwise, few information you can pass from property file, few information you can pass from what? YML file. Is it possible, sir? Okay, actually for that only I am creating the space. Application dot properties, movie dot, actor dot, okay, email. What is there? Email. Okay. Con at Bollywood.com. What.com, guys? Con at Bollywood.com. Something, guys. Okay, same keys and have same stuff. Let's run the application. But before that, in actor details, I have to add one extra property or not, guys? What is there? What is there, guys? Email. Private string email. Simply what is there, guys? Private string email. Got it, guys? Right click, run as Java application. Actor details, name Shah Rukh Khan, address what? Hyderabad. Category is equal to hero. Fee is what? 89,000 is coming or not coming, guys? Fee is coming as what? 89,000. Category hero, address Hyderabad is coming here or not, boss? Yeah, look at the output, guys. In the output window, email ID is presented or not presented. Khan at Bollywood.com. So that means, yeah. Now one more question is, by taking both application dot properties and YML, can we pass data to Spring Boot application, Spring Bean properties? Answer is yes or no, na? Answer is possible or not possible, guys? Definitely it says possible, right? Okay. Question over here is, can we pass data to, can we pass data to Spring Bean properties of Spring Boot application from both application dot properties file and application dot YML file. Application dot properties file or application dot YML. What is there, guys? Answer. What is the answer we are giving, guys? Okay, guys. What is the answer we have to give, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Yes, possible. The properties of Spring Bean can get few values from properties file and few other values from YML file. Few values from properties file and few other values from YML file. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Few values from properties file, few other values from what? YML file. Few values from properties file, few other values from what? YML file. Convinced or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. If we place different values for the same keys, in, tell me, application dot properties file and application dot YML file. Application dot properties file or and application dot YML file. Tell me, guys. Application dot properties file, application dot YML file. Tell me, guys. Then the application dot properties file value will be taken as the high priority, will be taken as the final value. Will be definitely taken as the final value or not, guys? Okay, guys. Fine. I'll continue remaining discussion later. Let's do some entertainment here. I want to off this banner, guys. I don't want to see that banner, right? Okay, in YML also you can do, in property file also you can do. Okay, here. Disable the banner. To disable the banner of Spring Boot application. Yeah. Spring dot main dot banner hyphen mode off. You don't like this? Okay. You have to create application object in main method. There you have to say set banner mode off. Array, who will do coding, ra babu? If it is property file, whenever you want, you can enable it. Whenever you want, we can disable. So prefer this, guys. This is the best. Working with one best na boss? Yeah, same thing you can do in YML also, guys. Same thing you can do in what? YML also. Okay. Super, guys. I want to disable the banner. How to keep the custom banner also I will keep, guys. Don't worry. Disable the banner of Spring Boot application. Spring dot, tell me. No. What is that? Banner Spring dot, Spring dot main dot. Spring dot main dot banner mode off. Now you run the same application, guys. This time we won't get this banner. We will, this is actually Spring. Maybe you have to decode very nicely. Run as a Java application. What is that, guys? Run as a Java application. Okay. Spring dot main dot banner mode off. Banner mode is what, guys? Off. So this is off now, my dear. Come on, everyone. This is purely literally off. Banner is off over here. Yes, address, Hyderabad, category, hero, all this stuff. Banner is not coming. Directly output is coming. No, sir. I want to see my own banner, right? Okay. There is some procedure that you have to follow. And a second one of create disabling banner I am not showing. You practice on your own. How to configure custom banner. What is that? How to configure custom banner, boss. How to configure custom banner for Spring Boot application startup process. Create banner.txt using online, having your project title. Having your project title. For that one, springhow.com one website is there, guys. Select style standard, open fx font, guys. See preview, download the file with what name? Banner.txt. Where you have to place that? In resources folder. Then what we have to do? Run the application. When you run the application, array, this is OpenFX. This is the banner I have typed, right? We'll take some our name, something else we will take, guys. So let's do that process, my dear. Okay. What is that? Springhow.com. www.springhow.com. Springhow.com. Web server down. Hey, very bad. Okay. Springhow only, na? Okay, no problem. We'll see on some other website might be there. Okay, go to google.com. Okay. Custom banner in Spring Boot application. Custom banner in Spring Boot application. Okay. Are these are giving procedures, Ra Babu. These are giving procedure, but I want to create custom banner, right? I did not get you. Chat GPT, yeah. Oh, Chat GPT, you are habituated, fine. Okay. How to create custom banner file for Spring Boot application. How to create custom banner file in Spring Boot application. This fellow saying banner.txt, but how to create that banner.txt is not saying. Okay. ASCII art. Some website is there. Open the link. Okay. Right, boss. Okay, fine, boss. Natraz. Font I did not like. Though font. Oh, nice. Okay. Width fitted. Character height fitted. Test all. Testing all. More options. Array, this is some other content, guys. No, I'm looking for Natraz only. Right? Okay. It's coming nicely, guys. Okay, now we have to download this banner.txt. I think not there. Okay, no problem. We copy and paste. Copy option is not there. Huh? Yeah, copy this. Go to resources folder, right click, new, file. What is the name? Banner.txt. What is the name I am taking, guys? Simply, what is the name I am giving to you people? Banner.txt. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah. Banner.txt. Okay. Say paste. I think alignment disturbed. Huh? Let's see. Alignment might be disturbed. If not this website, some other website. Okay. We have taken it. That's enough, guys. There is no need of you specifying, but you have to switch on the banner, boss. We need to switch on the banner or not, guys? Yes. Banner dot mode. What is there? Okay. On a console. I want to see banner on the console, guys, not in the log file. Right. Run as a Java application. Is coming, boss, but is it acceptable or not for us? Okay, some extent. It is disturbed in how it is disturbed in the same fashion it is coming. Okay, 1 minute. Go to the website. This one. Huh? Where, guys? Select and copy. Am I right? Okay. At the bottom, select and copy. Come to this. Empty this. Paste. Same. Same, Rabab. Small size. Some indentation issue, nothing else. Some indentation issue. No, we cannot now touch. N is there in a proper shape. A is there, but what is this? Why it is disturbed like this at the end? This line is not required. Huh? Okay. Okay, we'll see one more time. Run as Java application. No, it is disturbed, guys. It is not coming as expected. Copy in notepad and more. Right? That is also, this is also notepad only, Babu. Is it not notepad? It is definitely notepad, Ra. Okay. No, I should have, I'm looking for something which directly gives what? Banner.txt. So that I can copy paste that file here, right? Font info. Okay. Uh, we'll take full, right? Select, copy, come to this, paste it. Come to this, paste it. It is in zigzag mode. Some disturbance, guys. 1 minute. We'll try to take the smaller one then. Huh? Not text. Font wise also small font. Okay, 1 minute. It's giving more above. Smush. What is this smush, guys? Okay. Yeah. Copy. Somewhat better. Somewhat better. Adjust. Okay, na? Otherwise, search for the better website in the internet. Okay. Run as Java application. Okay, now our banner content is coming or not coming? Check it out. Some Raja is appearing here or not there. Otherwise, go to google.com. Okay. Spring Boot. Spring, banner dot. Spring Boot. Banner.txt file creation. Spring Boot banner.txt file creation. Okay, it's giving something like that. Okay, fine. What is that? Welcome. Nataraj. It's there. What is the banner font? Yes, bold. Hey, very bad. Runic. Not coming. Wrote 3. Not coming. Pepper. Very bad. Peaks. Very another bad. Would agree. Okay, fine. We'll agree that application.title, application.version powered by this. How to download this now? Is there any question of downloading? Caption. Any option of copy paste only? Array. Okay, let me try this. Copy this. Come to this. What's happening, guys? You have a better solution. Find out there. Say paste. Somewhat better? Okay. Right. Otherwise, can we try outside banner.txt, not this? Maybe this file is giving problem as per my knowledge. Okay, continue guys. Here I will take notepad. What guys? Notepad. In this notepad, tab, say paste. Here also same issue. Few letters are happening here and there. Okay, same issue, but we'll try. Same issue, guys. Let's come back. Okay. See, there are some websites which directly use banner.txt. They only prepare banner.txt. Okay, just use that. Then problem is solved. Whatever it is, you got the basic knowledge. This is a time pass. You do, you don't do, really does not matter. But know it. I'm sharing with you people. But more focus on YML when we do when we meet in what next class. Shall we share the notes, guys? Okay. Yeah, still lot of discussion is there on YML. I will take up when we meet in what? Tomorrow class. If possible, tomorrow, please come up with pen and paper. Small practice is there to do conversion YML to property, property file to YML. Only tomorrow, please come to classroom with pen and paper. Offline student. Online student for you not required. Anyhow, you can present in the chat box. Because I'm going to give small task of converting what? YML to a property file to YML. Then differences between YML and property file. Then we will see how to configure custom